What causes the popping sound? This small canal connects your middle ear to the back of your nose and throat. When pressure changes occur, the tube may open or close, causing the popping sensation. Build-up of earwax can create pressure imbalances, leading to popping sounds when the wax shifts. Swelling or congestion in the eustachian tube due to allergies or infections can also trigger popping. Stay tuned for our next post, where we'll delve into when to pay attention to popping sounds and effective remedies. Don't miss it.